Hey there. Welcome to UPSC Explainer 101. Dive in with us today as we break down NCERT's Class 7 History, Chapter 3, Delhi, 12th to 15th century. Quick, crisp, and comprehensive Q&A coming your way. Let's get started. Historical background and rise of Delhi as a political center. Question: what factors made Delhi an important political center in India during the 12th century? Answer: strategic location. Delhi's geographical advantage played a pivotal role. Commercial importance. With the influx of rich Jaina merchants and the popular Deliwal coins, Delhi became a key commercial hub. Political establishments, the ascendancy of the Tomara Rajputs, followed by the Chauhans, and the establishment of the Delhi Sultanate in the 13th century. Delhi Sultanate and its dynasties. Question: which dynasties constituted the Delhi Sultanate and their notable contributions? Answer: dynasties, early Turkish rulers, Khalji dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty, Said dynasty, and Lodi dynasty. Key contributions: from administrative reforms, city establishments, territorial consolidations, these dynasties ensured Delhi's vast influence. Concept of justice and governance. Question: how is the circle of justice concept described and its significance? Answer: circle explanation. It shows the interdependence of the king, soldiers, and peasants. Governance. The circle stressed the need for justice in governance for a harmonious kingdom. Gender and rulership. Question: what were the obstacles for female rulers like Razia Sultan in medieval India? Answer: societal norms. Patriarchal norms opposed female rulership. Political dynamics. Chroniclers and nobles resisted independent female rule, resulting in challenges like Razia Sultan's 1240 removal. Administration under the Khaljis and Tughlaqs. Question: which administrative reforms did the Khalji and Tughlaq rulers introduce? Answer: military commanders, appointment of muftis for territories or IQTAS, revenue control. The state began to assess and collect land revenue, reducing the power of local chieftains. Oversight system. Muftis were tasked with tax collection and army maintenance, supervised by state accountants. Challenges to the Sultanate's expansion. Question: what were the obstacles to the Sultanate's territorial consolidation and the defense strategies of local chieftains? Answer: natural barriers. Areas like dense forests and rough terrains remained unconquered. Defense strategies. Local chieftains used natural barricades such as bamboo groves, and as Ibn Battuta notes, the challenging terrains necessitated specialized tools for invaders. Sultanate in the 15th and 16th centuries. Question: how did the political landscape of the Delhi Sultanate evolve in the 15th and 16th centuries? Answer: era transition. Post-Tughlaq, Said and Lodi dynasties took over parts of North India. Rise of new powers. Independent regional entities, including Afghans and Rajputs, started gaining prominence. Sur dynasty's role. Notably, Sher Shah Sur introduced administrative changes, influencing future Mughal leaders like Akbar. Prelims MCQs. In which century did Delhi become an important city? A. 10th, B. 11th, C. 12th, D. 13th. Answer: C. 12th. Delhi first became the capital of a kingdom under which dynasty? A. Khalji, B. Tughlaq, C. Tomara Rajputs, D. Chauhans. Answer: C. Tomara Rajputs. Which of the following is not one of the dynasties that made up the Delhi Sultanate? A. Said, B. Lodi, C. Khalji, D. Kakatiya. Answer: D. Kakatiya. The authors of Tawarikh were primarily A. soldiers and warriors, B. priests and monks, C. secretaries, administrators, poets, and courtiers, D. peasants and farmers. Answer: C. secretaries, administrators, poets, and courtiers. Who was the first female ruler of the Delhi Sultanate? A. Rudramadevi, B. Didha, C. Razia, D. none of the above. Answer: C. Razia. Special slaves purchased for military service under the Delhi Sultans were called A. Ikta, B. Mufti, C. Bandgan, D. Tawarikh. Answer: C. Bandgan. What were the governors of territories of varying sizes appointed by the Delhi Sultans known as? A. Khaljis, B. Bandgan, C. Mukti, D. Chahmanas. Answer: C. Mukti. Which tax was levied on cultivation during the Delhi Sultanate? A. Jizya, B. Karaj, C. Zakat, D. Ush. Answer: B. Karaj. Who invaded Transoxiana in northeast Iran in 1219? A. Timur. B. Babur. C. Genghis Khan. D. Kublai Khan. Answer: C. Genghis Khan. Who started his career in Bihar and eventually defeated the Mughal Emperor Humayun? A. Akbar. B. Alauddin Khalji. C. Sher Shah Sur. D. Balul Lodi. Answer: C. Sher Shah Sur. What underlying factor could have contributed to multiple empires choosing Delhi as their capital? A. Its geographical location acting as a natural barrier against invaders. B. The pre-existing infrastructure established by prior rulers. C. The city's religious significance. D. Its proximity to trade routes. Answer: A. Its geographical location acting as a natural barrier against invaders. Given that Delhi has remained a significant city over the centuries despite the fall and rise of various empires, what could be inferred about the resilience and adaptability of its inhabitants? A. They remained passive, adapting to any new ruler. B. They were key stakeholders in power transitions. C. They migrated in and out with every change in power. D. They resisted changes but were always overpowered. Answer: B. They were key stakeholders in power transitions. The use of a common currency, such as the coins minted in Delhi that saw wide circulation, often indicates A. The existence of a strong and centralized administrative system. B. A fragmented economy with regional variations. C. The presence of multiple smaller kingdoms. D. An empire's limited influence over its territories. Answer: A. The existence of a strong and centralized administrative system. Why would an empire, after conquering a region, continue to use existing forts and administrative centers like the Qutub Minar complex instead of building new ones? A. To save resources and time. B. To harness the established symbolic power and recognition of those structures. C. Because they lacked architectural knowledge. D. To appease the local population. Answer: B. To harness the established symbolic power and recognition of those structures. How does the persistence of structures like the Qutub Minar complex and Jama Masjid throughout multiple empires reflect on their importance in terms of both utility and symbolic power? A. They were just convenient locations, reused by various empires. B. They symbolized power and continuity, making them attractive to successive rulers. C. They were mainly religious sites and weren't associated with the power dynamics of empire. D. They were difficult to tear down, so they remained standing by default. Answer: B. They symbolized power and continuity, making them attractive to successive rulers. Thanks for watching.